Hey guys, Anthony here from XXX RC Garage, and I just received a package in the mail, and it's my new 3D printed roof rack that I got from a guy in Florida. I'll let you know more about it later. And this is going to replace the Gen 7 roof rack that's on my Gen 8.
Taking that one off. It's too heavy.
Here it is, I'll mount it on there, and I did put it forward because I do want to put like a light up here. Probably just not going to use that little one that was on this rack here, because I think it was just way too small for this truck. It needs a more wider rack here, or bar light. So, but anyway, that's pretty much it. You remember the destruction of this? Well, guess what? The parts are in. Got the new housing. Got beef tubes that'll go in the housing. And I bought new axles, but actually I'm not using these ones. I'm actually going to use some hot racing ones I have. So stand by for more.
always putting grease on it since we did it last. Put this all back together. Alright, grease, sometimes it gets sticky. Just so you guys know, when I built this truck, I had already packed everything with grease and everything. So this basically was the first run when I snapped the axle in half, so that's one of the reasons why I'm not too crazy about adding a lot of grease in it right now. The one thing we're going to add on this thing today, other than the brand new axles, is going to be beef tubes. And I'll show you what those look like if you're not familiar. What beef tubes do is they stiffen, or make the stock chassis housing, makes it sturdier. So maybe when I hit a tree next time, I won't break it.
I'll be you next time. Okay, so got that together. Let's check out these beef tubes. And just so you guys know, I've never installed beef tubes in my life, so I can't tell you exactly. I'm going to install them correctly. I'm just hoping there will be. So, looks like on the long part, these two cutouts here will go in the middle, and then of course, assuming like, oh okay, yeah, so this screw hole should line up with this one should line up here. So let's put this back together, get this in line up. Okay guys, I got it back together, got the beef tubes in it, and it's all rebuilt. Hot racing axles, beef tubes inside, replacement axle cover, which replaced that broken thing, or axle housing I should say, and there's the bent up mess. And so we'll see how this thing will work. So hopefully we'll get to check it out and see how it performs. Hey guys, I'm gonna do a test run without the body. Guys, here it is with the body. There it is, guys. Rebuilt front end.